Threads by Instagram but worried about your privacy? We've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you how to create a secure Threads account without sharing your personal phone number. With MobileSMS.io numbers and a reliable smart proxy plus X-Browser VPN, you can enjoy seamless communication with your close friends on Threads while keeping your privacy intact. Let's get started and activate Smart Proxy plus X-Browser. We will use X-Browser to securely hide our IP. As you can see, our IP has been changed to United States. Let us do a quick sign up at Instagram. To use Threads, you need to have an existing Instagram account as it requires login credentials and access to your Instagram friends list. Let's continue by getting a number from MobileSMS.io. We will be renting a long-term number for United States and choose Instagram. Let us use the number from MobileSMS.io and put it on Instagram, then fill out the form to complete your sign up. Instagram and then hit continue to finish the sign up process. Next step is to download the Threads app either through Google Play Store or the iOS Store. Log in using the number from MobileSMS.io and put in your password. That's it. You can now start using Threads and start a thread with your friends. Links in the description. Safeguard your privacy while using Threads by Instagram with this simple and effective method. In just a few easy steps, you've learned how to create an account using MobileSMS.io numbers and Smart Proxy plus X-Browser VPN. Now, chat with your close friends worry-free, knowing your personal information is protected.